There's a fire inside, you can feel it burning. It's a neon light.
Greetings, Redemption Point. I hope you're as excited as I am for the upcoming service on September 22nd. I've been praying and seeking God, and I know you have as well. From what I can see on social media, y'all been having some amazing moves of the Holy Ghost, and I'm expecting God to do a mighty work on September 22nd. I ask you to continue to pray and to continue to seek the face of God, and I will do the same. God bless you is my prayer. Have a great week, and I'm looking forward to what God has in store for us. God bless you.